Welcome to NASA's Summer of Innovation lesson videos. I'm Kat Balch with NASA's Aerospace Education Services Project. Today I'm going to give you a couple of helpful hints for the Touchdown Challenge activity, which is part of the On the Moon Educator Guide. This is a fun, simple activity and can be done in about an hour. Your students will design a shock-absorbing system to protect two marshmallow astronauts when they land on the moon. It was designed to be part of your moon topic area, but could easily be adapted for Mars. Here are some of the simple supplies that you will need to gather: paper cups, cardboard, index cards, bendy straws, and marshmallows that will serve as the astronauts. In the actual lesson plan is a great handout for students that explains the activity in detail and includes information about careers and landing on the moon. This sheet can be sent home for family discussion. The physics principles covered in this activity are kinetic and potential energy, acceleration due to gravity, and air resistance. The lesson plan explains these concepts in detail. A successful design in this activity would be for the astronauts to land safely on the moon. Now, the main focus of the lesson is actually the students learning about the engineering design process. You will want to review the design process with your students. First, brainstorm with your students what characteristics would be needed to protect the astronauts. Then the students will work in small groups to design, build, test, and evaluate their landers. After any possible redesigns, have a wrap-up session where you discuss what worked, what didn't, and any overall conclusions about the experience. Here are two possible designs your students may come up with. You can see how the two designs produce the same successful outcome. The accordion design is a great shock absorber, and the bendy straw provides a firmer, more stable landing. Your students will come up with some very creative designs. One extension is to have your students journal through their design process, and another would be for the students to set a budget and then have to purchase all of their materials. I hope you and your students have a lot of fun with this Touchdown activity. Thank you for joining us as we explore together in NASA's Summer of Innovation.